ever started this little boho trend, holla at me, because I'm taking it to the next level.
Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes getting out can make it grow.
Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Jay, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for sliding through, and if you're returning, thanks for coming to kick with your girl once more. You guys, today we are back with another cute, fun hairstyle, but today we mixed it up just a little bit. We got a little bit of hair out, a little bit of braids, a really cute mix, super easy and fun, perfect for vacation. I'm actually going on vacation tomorrow, so this is why I done it. And I am 100% that person that is, I'm not paying nobody to do my hair. I'm going to try to do it myself. So you guys, this is what we're doing today. Like, I am just so excited. I did not have any inspiration for this style. I was literally sitting here thinking about how I wanted to wear my hair. I didn't want to have any hair left out. I have zero hair left out right now. This is all, it's bundles in the back and then it's just braids in the front. So I have zero hair left out. I don't have to worry about any heat damage. I don't have to worry about anything. I can literally just go to sleep, wake up, and go to the beach, and that is life for me. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this style, make sure that you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new here, and definitely don't forget to stay engaged on my socials. I'm going to be doing some really fun things with this style on TikTok. I'll have everything linked down for you below, as well as the hair that I used, techniques, it's all going to be listed below. It's all going to be listed below for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the style right now.
Trouble in your mind, baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be, I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way.
So in order to get this right, we're going to want to go ahead and flip over to the other side. Now, I haven't really determined how many pieces of hair I want hanging. If I want to add more, I can always crochet some in. And I think I actually am, you guys. I just cannot believe this is actually coming together really cute. So we're going to flip over to this other side because we want it to like crisscross, you know, at a point. We don't want it all on this side. We want some on this side to like kind of, you know, do like a little shroom. So we're going to go ahead and start on this side now. And again, I want these braids to be chunky. This is, okay, Uber Eats. This is going to be like I want these braids to be really big. As you guys see, we're just going to part and then add some gel on there, and then we go back and we part again because now we just want to really define the parts. And there we go. So we're gonna take the back side of the comb and just kind of, you know, do it that way. Just go up against the side, and it's still a little crooked, so I'm gonna go one more time. All right, boom. Much straighter. So now we're just going to clip up this middle part here, and I already have my hair and everything separated. And you guys, this is a complete freestyle. I did not have any inspo pictures or anything like that. It's like I have an idea of a style in my head, and I'm just honestly gonna go with it. So we're just going to do that. And so now you want to get this as thin as possible together. So I'm just going to use the back of my comb to kind of, you know, push it up on both sides. So that's what we want to do. And we want to make sure you have your hair handy, whether you're using a rag or whether you have it, like, you know, laid down on something. You want to have all of the hair handy.
Sometimes you fall. 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 Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah.
So leave a good like inch in the braid, and then just continue to braid. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in my second piece of human hair. And how I do that is I'm just going to take it around the back. So take it around the back. So as you see here, it's right in between these two fingers. And then I'm just gonna place it in my mouth. We're gonna braid down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of gel on my middle finger and then just kind of smooth down the pieces, so it's just really like flat and sleek.
To be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adapt.
All right, so 45 minutes later and the front is completely done. As you see, I have a lot of little curls hanging out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get to the back. Now, you guys, I know I got clip-ins. I know you're like, girl, why you not sewing that in? And it's honestly just because I don't feel like it. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that I don't feel like it. I just like clip-ins, honestly. And yeah, that's just a new phase I'm in my life. So if you do know how to sew and you want to keep this style more long-term, then I recommend definitely sewing in the hair. That's up to you. Also, if you want, you can also have like a row of hair out here to cover your tracks as well. I'm not doing that, honestly, because the way that I'm about to lay the clip-ins, you're not going to be able to see the tracks. So long as that's accomplished, I don't see the need to actually add in to take out a row. And then also you have to worry about keeping that part straight and blending it with your weave. If you lay your tracks the right way, then you don't have to worry about it even being able to be seen. So we're gonna go ahead and get into that part now.
Something, no bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long your head. Breathing.
Alright, so I'm about to go ahead and dip my hair really quick so we can see the final results. But this is why I want to stress, like, your track placement is going to be everything. It's literally going to make or break the style. And this is why it's really good to have seamless clip-ins too, because if I had some bulky clip-ins, then this would not fly. So seamless is definitely going to be the way to go. So I'm going to go ahead and dip my hair.
I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby.
So I didn't have to go in and curl it. The hair comes in like a body wave texture, so you don't really have to do too much curling anyway. But since this is human hair and it's human hair falling in my face too, I can literally make this curl whatever I want to be. If I want it to be like a loose wave, if I want it to be extra curly, I can wand it. So the versatility of this style is just next level. And so I showed you guys the clip-ins in the back, and as you see, you can barely see them now. I'm not even gonna hold you. There is one clip here that you actually can see, so if you do want to leave out a row of your hair, you definitely can. I'm not, because the only person that should be over me like that is my man. And so he ain't even gonna be able to know. He ain't even gonna be able to tell. I only know one girl over 6 feet, so yeah, that's that. But so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the fun part, the edges. I don't want to put any heat on my hair, so I'm just going to do it with edge control. But if you do want more of like a fluffy edge or anything like that, of course you can curl it first and then do your edges. But I don't really want to go for that right now, especially since I'm not even really going anywhere tonight. This is just me preparing for a vacay tomorrow. Also, if you are not following me on my socials, this is a great time to go ahead and do that. Also, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. Definitely, I have more fun summer styles that I'm going to be doing for the rest of the summer, baby, because honestly, putting a whole bunch of heat on your hair in the summer is just, it's redundant in my opinion, because the sun do not like us, okay? The sun like us, but the sun don't like our hair, should I say. So, I'm all for, ooh, I left out a lot of hair right here. Whoo! I don't know who I thought I was. Maybe, okay, whatever, it'll be fine. So yeah, there's that. And now I'm just gonna go in with my Shine and Jam Supreme Shine and Jam Supreme Mousse Wrap. Try saying that 5 times fast. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that now. So now I'm just gonna go in with some oil, and voila, you guys. Is this still not a vibe? Like, and the hair is such good quality. This is not sponsored content, so any clip-ins will really work. I'm gonna have the clip-ins that I purchased linked down below, just in case you do want to get some yourself. Again, I didn't go in and curl these. I guess I could go in and curl these, but I'm actually not going, because like I said, I'm not going anywhere today. But yes, you guys, we are actually done, and I'm just so obsessed. Wow. Ever started this little boho trend? Holla at me, because I'm taking it to the next level. Of course, thanks you guys so much for watching this far. If you have any questions or anything like that, be sure to comment me. I'm very active in my comment section. If I don't comment within the first few hours, then I definitely do comment back the next day. So any questions that you have, if there's anything that you want to know where I got it from or anything like that, make sure that you leave that down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on all the socials, and you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.